So this is part 3 of my 3D printed key fobs video, and we're going to focus on making the Smith DC3 keyring. If I zoom in a bit here, you'll see that it's actually a solid blue centre, and then we've got a red top and bottom with the text shape cut out of either side of it, so it's a dual-sided keyring. So I'm going to move these out of the way right now, and then we're going to get started by using a box. I'm going to drag out, and then using the work plane tool, I'm going to add a rounded roof to either side. And then I'm going to reset it, and I'm going to use the D to drop these flat on my work plane, and then select everything, and I can line them up using the line tool. So I can group them together, and I'm going to want this first one to be 1mm, and let's have it a good bit wider. And let me actually import my text right now from a saved SVG, just so I can see what size it's going to be. Let's make it 100. So that's in millimeters as well. Okay. And I'm going to want to have some space for my hole, which I'm going to make 10. So let's line all this stuff up. Maybe we can do with a little bit more space there. So I'm going to align, I can align everything together here in the center. Okay, so I'm actually going to lock this hole in place, and then I'm going to get this bit, I'm going to duplicate the bottom, I'm going to move it up, and I'm going to hit duplicate again. So now that I've got 3 different layers, this one here is going to be the thickest one in the middle, it's going to be 2mm, and I'm going to make it, let's make it blue to match the original. And then what I'm going to do is my text in the bottom is going to be flipped so that I can read it round the other way, and I'm going to make this a duplicate, and I'm going to move it up here actually and use it a bit later on. So I'm going to make this into a hole. I'm going to move it down to make sure it's going to go through here, and I'm going to group these together. So that's my bottom side. I'm going to use the work plane tool, and then the D to drop this down on top, and then up here I'm going to flip my text back round the other way, and I'm going to make it a hole. I'm going to move it up here so it's going to go through easily, and I'm going to group these together, and I'm going to move my work plane on top of this surface, and I'm going to hit D to drop it down. I'm going to reset my work plane, and now when I come in here you can see that I've got a dual-sided key fob. It has my name and my room number on both sides.